Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an exciting one. My Stray Kids fan club arrived. I've never bought any fan club or anything like that, but today you get to witness me finally getting to unbox my first one after being a K-pop fan for like 7 years. I've never owned one. So yeah, I'm just so excited. I was told to wait to open it, but she'll understand. It's easier to ask for forgiveness than permission. So I'm opening it right now, just after I get home from work. Oh. So this is what it looks like. That's the back. Okay. To open. It's always dangerous using knives to open K-pop stuff because I don't want to cut it. So cute. Let's have a look actually. So this is what the other side of the card looks like. Looks so awkward. There's the card. There's so much stuff. Oh, cute little keychain. So cute. Little photo card holder as well. Photo ID set. So let's open this. There we go. There we go. Bangchan, Lino, Tongbin, Hyunjin with his long hair, Han, Felix, Sungmin, and IN. Oh my god. I love these. So cute. And then we have a sticker sheet. I think there might be, feels like there's a couple in here. Let's have a look. So here is the sticker sheets. 2 different colors, which is really cool. Trying to save like the photo cards for last because obviously that's one of the best parts. Oh, some stickers with Bangchan's iconic drawing. Gonna have to open these. I've already started looking. Okay. Oh, they're not stickers. They're like a card kind of thing, but it's like got their drawings. I'm gonna put them in my binder anyway because they're so cute, and I obviously bought more pages. So these need to be sleeved and put in the binder. Aren't they so cute? And then we have a 4-cut photo set. So postcards. I am assuming, I actually don't know what actually comes in this. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 4-cut. I get it now. Okay. So like photo booth style photos. So this one we got Lino and IN. We got Bangchan and Tongbin. Han and Felix. And Hyunjin and Sungmin. So cute. This is gonna have to go in my postcard little binder thing as well. And now we're gonna go for the photo cards. Oh, there's 2 sets on there. Okay. So we've got Bangchan, Lino, Tongbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Sungmin, and IN. And then we've got Bangchan again, Lino, Tongbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Sungmin, and IN. They look so cute. So looks like I'm gonna have to make a sleeving photo cards video soon and a sorting photo cards video soon as well. The photo cards are already piling up a little bit. Not much, okay, I don't have a slight addiction. I'm being responsible with my money. I got debts to pay because, you know, went to uni and I have to pay that money back. But yeah. Ooh, I wonder what that is. I'm gonna save that for last. And now, of course, we have a photo book. Oh my gosh. Why can't I open this? Satisfying. And there's the front, and then there's the back, and it, you know, has their slogan. I've only seen the teasers that were on their social medias, so I'm going into this blind. But like, this concept is so cute. It's like more cute than like their comebacks and stuff. Because like, you've seen Walking on Water, you've seen Chick Chick Boom. So much more different than this cutesy concept, but I love it. Shows their duality as well. I think that's how you say it. God, it just reminds me of Youth, Lino. Oh, cute. Oh, I love these pictures too. Oh, Changbin. Does he have a drawing as well? There we go. Oh, they're... Oh, I can't read Korean. But it looks like they're doing like the concept, like over the rain. So, rain clouds. The 8 members. So cute. Got Hyunjin. So cute as well. Oh, 8 from their concert. Han. Jeez, people being so nice. I guess that's what I get for filming after work. Oh, Lollapalooza. Oh, so cute. Oh. That one's pretty too. Added some color. Felix. Sungmin. So cute. Oh, those are cute too. On a group picture. Another one. Unit. Oops. Another one. Oh, jeez. And the last thing. Oh, it's like a rain jacket thing. Cute. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, it's a mess right now, but I'm gonna clean up. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.